Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the Mandarin Verbena pie recipe in Heartopia during the Modular Street Festival event. Okay, let's get into it guys. So this is one of the festival foods from this update, and I'm going to show you how you can unlock this recipe. So if you want to make the Mandarin Verbena pie, you need to have the fruit Verbena pie recipe. You can buy it from Masimus Cooking Store. Then you're going to use the brick serving card to make it. Okay, this is the recipe for the original fruit Verbena pie. And if you want to make the Mandarin pie, we're going to replace the fruit. But before it, guys, let me show you the ingredients. These are the ingredients. You need butter and then egg and lemon verbena. Okay, and I'm going to replace the fruit with mandarin. Okay, and we're going to start cooking. After you unlock the recipe, next time if you want to make the Mandarin Verbena pie, you just need to use the new recipe. Okay, almost done. Alright, and this is the Mandarin Verbena pie. If you want to remake it or recook it, just use this recipe, Mandarin Verbena pie. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the Mandarin Verbena pie recipe. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!